Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum is still moving in this support area. We talked about it yesterday that we have an orange wave count which would send price possibly higher as long as the orange support area is holding. It is an area that I gave you a few days ago. Price reacted to the 1820 level, the 78.6 fib level. Normally we don't want price to go below that level if this wave count is working out, because a break below it typically indicates that, yeah, the setup is going to fail. And price did react. I warned you yesterday that I'd be very careful. I would be manage risk here very closely because I think that the yellow count is the more probable one. And after that, we saw a reaction further to the downside. Doesn't mean yet that it will come down in the yellow wave count as long as it is holding 1820, that swing low which was made on Wednesday. It can still save the short-term bullish scenario, but it's going that way where I think, okay, maybe the top of this yellow wave 2 is already in the yellow wave count. We're currently coming down in a C wave, which is a 5-wave move, and in this C wave we have a wave 1 complete, a wave 2 complete. We're now basically in the third wave. That would be the assumption. In the third wave we have an ABC structure because it's an ending diagonal, this whole move down. And in the C wave, that's where we are now in this assumption. We completed a wave 1 and maybe topped already in wave 2 yesterday. This is not unlikely because, first of all, we're currently selling off in what at the moment is still a 3-wave move, but it could become a 5-wave move. That's of course speculative until we see it. But if we look at Fibonacci retracements, price reacted to the 50% retracement at 1860. So this could become a larger wave 2, no problem. Price can still max out the resistance area all the way up to 1882. Only a sustained break above 1882 would indicate that the yellow wave count is losing control here, and that the orange wave count, which would send us higher, ideally sort of close to $2,000 or 1950, that the orange wave count is gaining control and that the bulls are quite serious here. But as long as we stay below red resistance, my primary count is the yellow one. Again, bear in mind we're in a very choppy situation, lots of up and down, and basically nothing happened since early May. A month ago we entered this range. It's been quite volatile recently, also due to the SEC news. But overall, not much happened. We're basically the same price like on the 15th of May, okay? Or here on the 9th of May or the 1st of May. So not much happened. Market is very much indecisive here. Market hasn't really made up its mind yet. And we have two very clear situations, two very clear wave counts. They are both probable, but I see the yellow count is more likely. Yeah, I see the odds as a little higher for the yellow wave count because the complete structure of the April high to the downside doesn't really look finished yet. So I still think another low would be what the market needs to finally start an impulse to the upside. But of course, you know, this can get distorted a little bit. It can take a little longer. What I said in the Bitcoin video was that maybe if we get a sell-off today, we could spend Saturday again in a wave 4. For everybody who's new on this channel, we often spend a Saturday in a wave 4. It is just what it is. So at the moment, one more flush down, and we could get this 4th wave correction on the weekend, which is just what the market for some reason likes to do, because weekends are typically quiet. So typically the market uses the weekend to consolidate a bit, and that is just what often happens in a wave 4. They're often sideways corrections. But yeah, that's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.